Yes, it's recording. Guys. A thunderstorm is about to happen, and there's kind of a big chance of a tornado. I see something light up there. There's a light up there. There's a light up there. It was right there. Now it's gone. Can't be from the moon. The moon's right there. Yeah, but a big thunderstorm is about to happen. And it's all the way over there. I think a tornado might come. I mean, we live on a hill. So maybe not. I don't know. But it's going close to touching the ground. But yeah, there's a light up there. Just saw it. I can't believe I catch this. Oh, wait a second. There's a light right there. See that? I'm not joking. There's literally light coming from there. It's either the sun or I'm dumb. But if it was the sun, it would be like going through the clouds more. Wouldn't it be? So, yeah, big thunder. Big thunder's happening right now. Ugh. By the way, sorry the Overwatch video wasn't that long. I don't know what happened, so I think my iPod died. Yeah, filming this on an iPod, that's why I decided to. A little bit weird. Probably if I do this. Put on this, I don't know. I mean, I'm near my first YouTube videos. So I'm not really sure what to do right now. Let me go back a bit. It's still coming. It looks like a bald eagle. You can see that shape right there, kind of spikes. Oh my gosh, there's strips of, oh my gosh, you guys gotta see this. You see those strips of lines? Those cannot be clouds. Oh. Those cannot be clouds. That's an airplane. That can't be from a giant airplane. I don't know. Sounds like there's one right up above there, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, that's weird. What the heck? Why am I finding so much weird stuff? It's like a flat surface, but like think of that as the ground, but it's smoking like a volcano erupting. Wow. Wow. It's like a boat. What the heck? They're perfectly circled clouds. It's like a whole circle. It's like a whole circle. See that? It's like a whole circle. Huh. I've never seen anything like this before. But, yeah. Go look on the other side of the house. Birds. I think there's a nest up there. Oh, it's getting close to coming. Big storm. Still perfectly circled clouds. Right there. I have nothing to do about that. I wish I could look over there. Go back a bit. Maybe on my mom's car. Probably the youngest YouTuber, I don't know. 0 subscribers, yay! Yay, 0 subscribers. Yay, 0. 0. 0. 0. Yay! Please, I want to subscribe, please. My videos are good, please. Remember that water bottle flip, please. Just please. This is my first long video. Okay, I'll see you guys up there. Second. hope my iPod doesn't fall down. My parents might be wondering why. Sounds like the car's braking, but that's normal. Yeah, that's normal. I might have such a high voice, but it actually sounds like, I don't, to me. We see some more of the circle. 2 circles. 2 circles. 2 circles. It's a large storm. It's weird. It's no ring of clouds. The heck? Okay, I need to go closer to this. Look at that. I'm trying to hold the camera still. Shut up. My neighbors are over there. Look at that. There's a ring. It's weird. Some, pretty weird, eh? Zoom out, zoom out. I said zoom out. It's like the loudest thunder I've ever heard. I've seen lightning before, but I haven't seen it in a while now. Shut up. I don't want to say it loud. Hey, hurry over there. Yeah, it's starting to get darker over there. Maybe we'll get a tornado, maybe we won't. I don't know. Shit. I got a jet. Shoot the voice line. Okay.